Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the banner within your profile on the Splitgate PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Splitgate game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to change the banner within your profile, just click on the locker option at the top, and this will now take you into your locker room page. From here, click on your username at the bottom, and now this will take you into player card. Here just click on banner, and now you will see the various different banners that are available to equip within your profile. You can tap on each one of these banners to check out the preview of how it will look within your profile. Once you have found a banner that you would like to equip, just click on the equip button, and now this will be set as your banner right away. You can change this at any point of time by coming back into the same menu and once again choosing whichever banner you desire. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the banner within your profile on the Splitgate PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.